Hi, my name is Michael Lena. Student ID is 915-915-083. And today I'm going to show you how to use PrestaShop for your e-commerce home business or your store. Alright, so first you want to go to google.com and you want to type cloud. Oops. And photo console. And in order to use PrestaShop, you have to go to a marketplace and you want to type PrestaShop. Okay. Once you click that, you want to click the certified by Binami. Once you click this, it's gonna look something like this. You're gonna go ahead and click deploy. Once everything's set, you're gonna have site address and your admin address. This is where you can modify your website and all that stuff. And here's your admin user and your temporary password. Alright, once everything is downloaded, you wanna go ahead, first, this is how it's gonna look your e-commerce store. And in order for us to modify all this, you have to go to your admin site. In order to go to your admin site, you click that, and this is the user ID and your password. So I have everything ready. So email address and the password. Now, let's go ahead and log in. Alright, so this is the dashboard. In order to add a product, you want to first go ahead and add a category. Alright, so let me give you an example how to add a category. So you go ahead and click add new. And let's see, for example, we wanna sell something fragrance. So let's do men's fragrances. Okay. And then go ahead and save. Alright. Now we have that saved. Now we want to add the product under the categories. So you hit products. And same thing, we're going to add new product. It's going to show you this. Very simple to use, not hard. You can add your image, quantity, shipping, price, and other more stuff. So let's go ahead and add an image that you want to sell something to your e-commerce website. So I have something here, and it's a Giorgio Armani fragrance by Acqua di Gio. Summary, you can write smell really good or something. Description, you can say size 3.4. Okay, just an example. Alright, so we're gonna, and then quantity, you can put, let's say, 10 bottle. And minimum quantities for sale, we can say 2. Alright, so here show you the availability preference for your stock. When it's out of stock, you can choose deny all orders or allow orders. So for me, if this was my own store, I will deny orders. Okay. Now shipping, and here you can charge additional shipping costs. the package dimension, you have the width, the height, sorry. All right. So we want to do, let's say, I want to do free shipping. So let's do my carry. All right. And then pricing, let's say $95. Tax included. And here you can choose tax wherever dependency you are located. So let's say we are California, I believe it's 8.25. Alright, you can click here if you want to display the on sale flag. So let's do that. And then save. Alright, I forgot to add the name of the product, so let's do Pure Armani. Once you have the title for your product, you go ahead and save, and it says setting updated. Alright, once it's saved, you can go ahead and see your actual website, how it looks like. So your current website is already offline, but you can also set it online. So up to you. So let's do back to offline and then preview, and then there. Here's your picture of your product, your description. Smell really good. Minimum quantity is 2. Description 3.4. There you go, and then tax is 0, total shipping is free. Proceed to check now. There you go.